In this demo, we'll show you how to set up Shopify on a cloud phone. Let's begin. To start, launch the Multilogin app and log in. This is the main dashboard. For this demo, we're using cloud phones. These are virtual Android devices, letting you access apps like Shopify without a physical phone. Then head over to the Cloud Phones section. Here's your Cloud Phones workspace. All your cloud devices, folders, and settings are managed here. Next, click Create to make a new cloud phone. Give your profile a name and pick how many devices you want. Each one works as a separate Android device. Add notes to remember what each cloud phone is for and place it into a folder to keep things tidy. Now set up a proxy. Choose Multilogin to use its built-in proxies. This helps your cloud phone connect from a specific location. Select a country and city. This makes your device appear to be connecting from that area. Choose a device brand and model. For best results, use one cloud phone for each Shopify store. Click Create to finish setting up your cloud phone. Once it's all set, launch your cloud phone. The device will show a regular Android home screen. You can click, swipe, and move around just like on a real phone. On the right, you'll find a sidebar with quick tools. You can check your connection, rotate the screen, take screenshots, upload files, or use the camera. More tools are in the More menu. Open the built-in App Store to install Shopify. Search for Shopify and install it. You can also upload your own APK file if needed. After it's installed, open Shopify from your cloud phone's home screen. Log into your existing Shopify account. Your session will stay saved on this device. Then you can easily manage your products, handle orders, and update your stock directly from the Cloud Phone app. With cloud phones, you can manage your Shopify stores from one place without needing multiple devices. Start your trial and connect your cloud phone today.